What is going on YouTube? Hated back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, over the past couple of weeks, we've been watching what appears to be, in my opinion, bullish breakouts outside of either pennant flag formations or bull flag formations here. And we're also pretty much seeing history repeat itself. As you can see on the channel here, the past couple of videos, we were watching cryptocurrencies like XRP and or XRP was specifically forming some continuous pattern in a bull flag, which we've only recently maybe changed up with the thought process that maybe this is a 3-point or this is the third time we're seeing bull flag formations happen here. And you can see I have the XRP chart pulled up where this was the first bull run, then we had the second bull run, and here we are with the third potential bull run here. Regardless, this is extremely bullish in my opinion here, and it's only a matter of time before we break out. Granted, today is Sunday, so obviously we don't really see much movement on the weekends anyway, but besides that, we're also looking at the pennant flag formations that have formed on Bitcoin and Ethereum here, which have broken bullish on Bitcoin. You can see the continued run to the upside here as we were starting to take place. You can see what we drew in yesterday's video, which was the 3-point or the three times we saw the bull flag formation happen here. But you can see Bitcoin broke out beautifully, swinging to the upside here. The beautiful pennant flag formation breaking us, exploding us to the upside here. Seeing a beautiful 5-point Elliott impulse wave, completing it right here, confirming breach above moving averages, price ceilings, and downtrends, exploding to the upside. This was a very easy run to capitalize off the gains. We then have Ethereum, which just and I mean ever so slightly decided to break out of, and you can see we are trying very, very, very hard to break through this resistance right here. We're trying really hard to break through that resistance here, but with no avail. Although I do believe this weekend we're going to see, or this week we're going to see that happen really, really, really soon. So keep your eyes peeled on that, as I think that's going to happen real quick. But we're also going to look at the S&P, which is correcting downwards, although not really too bad if you ask me. I think this was a healthy pullback that is necessary. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into today's video, I want to give you guys a huge reminder yet again that tomorrow is the last day to enter the 1000 XRP giveaway. I have partnered with Bidfy we've gone back and forth, but we came up with an agreement here on what would be a really cool giveaway here. So this is your chance to win part of the 1000 XRP giveaway that's going to be closing tomorrow here. All you have to do is deposit 100 USDT, complete KYC, which most of you should have done by now, and then fill out the form in the description of today's video, and 10 lucky people will each receive part of the 1000 XRP giveaway here. As simple as literally clicking on today's video. I'll show you, for example, here, the first link right here. Fill out this form right here, and you'll be entered to for a chance to win some of the 1000 XRP. So make sure to check that out. Link down in the description below. Closure is tomorrow, so this is your last chance to make sure to take part of that. But with that being said, diving into the technical analysis, we're going to look at the current coin market cap. You can see a quick refresh reveals that we're at 1.19 trillion, and you can already see the consolidation that's taking place. Bitcoin's up 15% over the week. Same thing with Ethereum, up 8.8. Cardano's up 10. A lot of the cryptos are still up double digits, but you can see the kind of sideways consolidation that's taking form here. Lots of flatline movement on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on Cardano here, some of them for the most part here, but the major ones that we've been paying attention to seem to be flatlining out because of the weekend here. And I'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. We'll talk about this. But moving forward, looking at XRP, yesterday we pretty much discovered that history was repeating itself. I mean, we've known this based off the second kind of bull flag that happened here. You can see this was 1. And then this was 2, and you could see the beautiful continuation pattern here. The Elliott impulse wave, we broke up, then we did it again, just bull flag formation here, then we broke up yet again, and here we are with the third one, a little bit smaller, but consolidating downwards. We're looking for the pop to the upside here, and it's simply, once we can confirm breaking through these kind of resistance here, these yellow resistances, that's kind of the sign that we're going to be exploding to the upside here. You can see it happened here. Even though we had a little bit bull trap, we still continued the rally to the upside here. So yet again, the same pattern is what we're waiting for on XRP. We're waiting for this to be broken here. We're waiting for this downtrend to be broken, this support to be broken here. We're almost there. We really are almost there, but there's a little bit of consolidation left here. We need to break through this price ceiling up here and hopefully stay above this price floor. And I think that's going to happen mainly for a couple of reasons. Notice here, we have the moving average slowly moving us up. We're trading at about 50, flatlined at 49.50 on the RSI here. So you can see as we fill in this gap here, we're getting very close to this support here. And we're are looking for that breach. We have moving averages, we have price floors, we have supports. Everything is showing signs of a bullish momentum, bullish movement to the upside here. So it's only a matter of time. So truly, once we can confirm closing above this resistance, I would expect to see a swing to the upside here. That's what I'm betting on, and that's what I anticipate to see happen within XRP specifically. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on Bidfy, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Bidfy lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, great stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of is offered on Bidfy here. You can see this right here. They even have XRP, which is what we've been using to make all of our profitable and sometimes unprofitable trades on XRP is using Bidfy here. It's super cool that they offer tons of major blue chip cryptos as well as tons of major altcoins here, which is super cool. Make sure to check out Bidfy down in the description below. What's even cooler is they have a demo account, which gives you 100 grand Monopoly money to test your skills out completely free. So that means you can sign up down in the description below for free. So signing up is free. Trading around is risk-free. And you're actually missing out because of the major incentives for signing up to this website here. Not only can you earn up to $2,888 completely free by filling out some of the tasks below, which are simple, but, like as simple as leaving feedback. That's all it is. But more so, you're also missing out on the opportunity to win a part of the 1000 XRP giveaway, which ends in 2 days. So make sure to check out Bidfy down in the description below. With that being said, and moving forward and looking at some of the altcoins now, what's starting to take place on Ethereum is a lot of this consolidation here. You can see we are flat lined out like no other. It's been a long time since we've seen anything form this kind of flatline movement here. It's quite odd if you ask me. And you can see even on the weekly charts where we're kind of intertwined in the middle of the moving averages here. The goal is that we break through it. We retested the price floor, so the break to the upside is almost expected here. You can see we kind of bottomed out. We're trading inside this blue band here. We hit support, and we started to reverse upwards here. And I think we're going to continue to reverse upwards. We just need to be breaking through this price ceiling here. So this, as soon as we can confirm closure above like $1,900, we close at like $1,930, $1,920. I would expect to see a continued run, probably up to $2,125, a pretty solid rally, but it would also continue this beautiful pennant flag that we have here. So I am a strong believer that we do have movements to the upside. It is just waiting for this to end. We're waiting for the sideways trading to end, and then we should be able to swing up. That's truly what I see and expect and anticipate to happen here, but it's just a waiting game at this point. But there are these opportunities. We've already made profit off of Bitcoin here, but XRP and Ethereum both look like prime opportunities to be buying in probably this week. So keep your eyes peeled on the market. We're probably going to see some movement this week. And then wrapping things up, looking at Bitcoin here, this seems to be hitting the top here. However, there is a chance we could head higher, and I'd like to think that we are going to head higher. However, we are just becoming overbought. So a possible correction might be necessary for us to continue the rally to the upside. But even if we don't, we've already made such a huge profit off capitalizing and predicting this beautiful pennant flag or downwards trending bull run here. It was expected. We expected this downwards triangle or the downwards flag here, whatever you want to call it. This was anticipated, and we expected this pump to happen here. Lastly, looking at the S&P, we needed to consolidate. It was expected, anticipated. It was just, it was a waiting game. Every time we went higher, I was like, how is this even possible? Because we need to head lower. So I am expecting to see a dip in the markets here to confirm. We're looking for the next lower high formation here. It's been a while since we had a lower high formation here, and I think it's necessary. Hopefully the lowest point we move to is maybe the white band here and start to head up, but this would affirm us that we are still creating higher lows. We are looking for the next higher low to unveil itself on the S&P, but we are slowly starting to pull ourselves down. We were extremely overbought at 77. Now we're down to 59. So there's a chance that we could fall maybe as low as even 42 before we hit this green band before we hit the support here. But the goal is maybe another retest on moving average and then start to head up higher here. But the S&P is looking incredibly well overall. And there's a good chance we're going to be hitting all-time highs before the end of this year, which is pretty incredible if you ask me. But that's pretty much it for today's video. With that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and don't forget to enter the Bidfy giveaway, link down in the description below. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.